Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to study chemistry without forgetting step by step. Start by organizing topics into small chunks and focus on core concepts first. Use active recall with flashcards and explain processes aloud. Practice problems regularly and space study sessions to let memory consolidate. Mix periodic review days and teach a peer or a rubber duck to reinforce understanding. Track progress with simple checklists each week. Break chapters into question-sized pieces and make concise notes. Create a schedule that spaces reviews over days, weeks, and months. Use practice exams under timed conditions to simulate testing pressure. Draw mechanisms and label diagrams to engage visual memory. Swap study roles with a partner to spot gaps and explain reasoning aloud. Use error logs to revisit mistakes and convert weaknesses into strengths. Keep sessions to 25 minutes, with short breaks to maintain focus. Please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. Quick recommendation: pick up The Simple Path to Wealth for clear money habits that free mental bandwidth for studying chemistry. Treat it as a casual companion to reduce stress about finances and focus on learning. Check the description for the link and other deals and support that helps the channel. I appreciate your support. Now let's get back to the video. Adopt the Feynman technique by teaching concepts in simple language to reveal gaps. Interleave subjects to improve discrimination between reactions and problem types. Use mnemonics and vivid associations for tricky facts like solubility rules or ion charges. Capture lab observations and link them to theory to build contextual memory. Regularly summarize chapters into one-page cheat sheets for quick review before sessions or practicals. Celebrate small wins to keep motivation high throughout long study cycles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.